Hello camera, my name is Eduardo. I'm presenting a personal video for you for this beautiful motorcycle, which is the 2001 Harley Davidson FXDXT, 47,212 kilometers and 1442 cc's, 2 cylinders, and the price is $68.88 plus HST and licenses. The bike is fully safety certified and it comes with extra accessories. You could, they have a highway pegs, they have a saddlebags, and also they have a straight pipes. So the bike is available at the moment. So and I wanna you can take a look closer and to give me the approve how you can send us the down payment to hold the bike for you until you're coming back to finalize the deal. Phone number 905-660-2901, extension 201. I'm very happy to assist you. Okay, thank you.